What's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to be setting up some lights. Thank you so much, MOUNTDOGS. You guys know I've been using studio lights probably since I was 14 years old. I cannot believe I've had these lights since I was 14. Like, this is insane. So I'll tell you guys more about the lights that I have. I'm going to be comparing the lights I have to the light that I was sent from MOUNTDOGS. And so before I get into the video, please follow me on social media. My Instagram is @shalishasflawless, Snapchat is princessgirl18, and Twitter is xyxxox. And of course, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the flawless gang. I would love to have you here. If you love seeing more videos of me, please subscribe and hit that post notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. So with all that being said, I'm really excited. I cannot wait to review these products, and we have to assemble them. So I'm going to switch angles and we're going to go over here. And when we're sitting on the floor, we're going to set these things up and then we're going to review them. So let's get started. Lego. Okay guys, so the lighting is going to go down, but I have been using these lights since I was 14, and these are from Amazon, and I got them from the famous COWBOY studio. You guys know that's the OG lights that everyone uses on YouTube. So I just have the softbox lights, had these for a while, and they're from COWBOY Studios. Okay y'all, so we have a light from MOUNTDOGS, and they sent me one of their lights. They're supposed to send me a pair of two, which normal lights come as a pair of two, but they sent me one. So we're gonna compare one of their lights to my COWBOY studio and see which one is better. These are super affordable lights. This was, I believe, under $40, so I think this is gonna be a great deal for someone that's, you know, just starting YouTube and wants to get some professional lights. I cannot wait to see if these outdo my COWBOY studio. They're brighter. I've been looking for some brighter lights, so really excited. So let's go ahead and get this MOUNTDOGS studio light assembled, and then we'll go from there. Okay, it was really the slippers for me, but you know, real cozy, you already know. So we're gonna take out the pole. It came with the pole for the studio light, and I'm just gonna take it out the package, you know, set it up and straighten out the legs just to get it stable so it stands up straight, and then we can assemble the actual light on top of the stand. So then in that case that you guys see me grabbing, that's just the actual light, like the actual thing you screw the light bulb in. So that's going to be really big part of the light. And then that little package was just the film cover that goes over top of that. So that's going to filter out the light so you don't go blind when you put the light. If you were to literally to light up a studio light without that, I don't even know how you'd see. Your eyes would be fried. So it's very key to use that cover. So that is the actual light you see me. And then of course, that was so nice to give you this MOUNTDOGS bag, so you travel with, you know, photography, or you know, you just travel filming, you can take your equipment with you. And I think that's awesome, great touch, you know, to include in the package. So right now you see me unscrewing the screws to apply the actual light on the stand. So those screws, you're going to unscrew them and then you're going to tighten them once you put it on top. But I then realized there was like a little black piece inside that you had to, you know, get out first before you put it on top of the stand. So I didn't realize that until then. But make sure you take that piece out and then just screw the little the nozzles and tighten it just so that it stays in place and it doesn't fall off the stand, because you don't want that, especially if you had the light bulb in there. It would definitely like shatter the light bulb if it fell hard enough. So make sure it's on screwed on tight and adjust it to the actual length that you want it, you know, the angle. So yeah, that's what you see me doing there. And then I am just grabbing the lamp. So the actual light bulb, like I told you guys later in the video, it's a corn light. So I've never used an LED corn light. Like, I've never had a light bulb like that. So I think it was so cool to actually experience a different light bulb, because I'm used to the big spiral ones from COWBOY Studio. So this one was like real fancy, child. Like, it was like a chandelier. Like, look at it. And also, when you do apply that light bulb, you see that white piece, unscrew that. I didn't realize that until I was trying to put it in, and it wouldn't even go inside the thing. So unscrew that little white piece, and then the piece for the, you know, light bulb will actually be there. You can screw it in, no problem. So just be mindful of that. Take that piece off before you assemble it. And then when you are doing the actual stand, push in the inside and, you know, put it inside the holder, and then the light bulb will actually stay in place. So you'll see that, you know, when you actually get the light. But You just have to do that inside, kind of like a push socket. You just push it in and it stays in place just like so. You see me pushed it in, and that's where the light bulb goes. But whoo, child, I was sweating, not even gonna lie to y'all. And then screw the light bulb in. Very self-explanatory. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this. So it's just me doing the light, but yeah. Okay guys, so I wanted to come back on here to show you guys this part. So with this light, it was so different than Cowboy Studio. So Cowboy Studio, with normal lights, you have like, these clips and you can just, adjust the height. But with Mount Dogs, you have to twist and pull. So you're going to twist the bottom of the stand, and then after you twist for about, maybe probably like twist it about 10 to 15, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pull it. So you see me here, I twist it and I pull, and I noticed that after I started twisting, I can pull it down. So just do that. But I just want to show you guys that part so you guys know how to adjust the height, because it's really short when you get it. Alright guys, so this is the Mount Dog Studio Light. I just assembled it. Don't mind the trash, guys. Came with a lot of packaging, but this is the light without it turned on. So yeah, this light, I didn't even notice you had to like twist it and then pull it. I was so lost, because normally with these lights right here, these studio lights from Cowboy Studio, you can just adjust the poles with these levers right here on the side to adjust the height. But these ones, you have to twist and then pull the pole. So that was a little different, but the light was actually really nice. I can't wait to see how bright this gets. Really excited. Very easy to assemble. So let's go ahead and test it on and compare it to Cowboy Studio. Let's see which one wins, Mount Dog or Cowboy Studio. Let me know in the comments what you guys think is going to win, Mount Dog or Cowboy Studio. All right guys, so here are the lights on, and you can already tell the difference. So this one is Mount Dog and this one is Cowboy Studio. Do you see how Cowboy Studio has more like a yellowish natural daylight effect, and versus this one, it has like more of a LED light fluorescent effect? You can just tell off the angle that these two are two different lights from the bulb wattages, and also the bulbs are different. Theirs is like a corn light, I believe, and this one, I have to show you guys. If I can, I'm going to show you guys. So as you guys can see, they use a spiral large bulb versus theirs, Mount Dogs, is like a corn light. So that's the difference with Cowboy Studio and Mount Dog. I'm gonna test. I want to see with video what it would look like. But this is Mount Dog and this is Cowboy Studio. I can't believe how bright this is versus my Cowboy Studio. Wow. These two are the lights. Let's go ahead and turn off the Cowboy Studio and then just leave this one on, and we're going to turn this one off and leave that one on. So we're going to see what the video looks like. So this is the Mount Dog Studio light without any other lights. It's just this one on. I cut the Cowboy Studio off and this one is just running. So I love the temperature of the light. I think it's a very great bright fluorescent light. It definitely gives me like LED vibes. So this one is definitely brighter than Cowboy Studio. Definitely brighter. The frame of the actual studio light is a lot bigger than Cowboy Studio. Those are more small rectangular. These are bigger, a lot bigger actually. They're like super big. I'm sweating like crazy with these lights on, guys. I'm sorry, these lights are literally death. It's so hot in here. For the price point, also for Mount Dog, I think it's a great light. I would definitely use this to film. I love how it's, you know, bouncing off my skin. I think it would be a little easier to judge with two lights, but with the one light on, it actually looks good. I think with two, like, even better. It'll be super bright. So I really do love this light. I think I definitely like this one a lot better than my Cowboy Studio, which is bad just because of how bright it is versus that one. That one's more like yellow tone. This one's different, literally like white, like a white light. So it's definitely a lot brighter. Really easy to assemble. I love the packaging. And it's a good price point. So I think this is a good studio light for starting out a channel. Also, if you're just, you know, an advanced YouTuber and you're looking for some good studio lights that are reliable, I think this company is good. You can find them on Amazon and get them really quickly. And I think they'll work very, very good. You know, they're very durable. I think they'll last a long time, especially that light bulb looks very, very great. So let's go ahead and turn off Mount Dog light, and then we're going to turn on Cowboy Studio and see how one light looks with this. Okay, now you do see it's surprisingly like a little brighter. It seems like Cowboy Studio was brighter than Mount Dog when I had that one light on. I love how it bounces off my skin. I use these for about 7 years. I've had the same pair of lights. They work great. I love Cowboy Studio. They're very reliable. They're US based. They're very popular. A lot of YouTubers use these. The OGs, everyone that started channels like in 2014, 15, we've all used Cowboy Studio. That's all we've used, either the softbox or the umbrella. So whatever light you choose from them, it's going to be amazing. The quality of the light is just phenomenal. I mean, I've had these for 7 years and they're still upstanding. You know, the yellowish tint maybe from just, you know, over, you know, of wear and tear from over the years, or just, you know, the light, I guess, you know, it might have tinted the actual screen that goes over the lamp. But honestly, I don't know what you guys think. I love these lights though. I think they're both great lights. I think that one is more of a brighter light. This one has more of a yellow tone. That one has more of like a fluorescent, like I told you guys, LED light looking effect with how bright it is. But these are both good lights. I think Mount Dogs definitely is up there with Cowboy Studio. They're definitely up there. They would be a great competitor for them with lights. They're very affordable. Cowboy Studio is a lot more expensive, so if you're on a budget, that would be the next runner-up. I would definitely call these the runner-up. Other than that, these are great lights. This is Cowboy Studio right now. I'm impressed with both. Mount Dogs definitely impressed me a lot for how affordable they are, and also how fast they got to me and how easy the assemble was of the light, and just, you know, everything that came in the package. You get a, you know, a nice carry bag to carry with you if you're, you know, setting up somewhere else. If you're a photographer, you can carry it with you. And great price point. Love the product. Definitely would recommend Mount Dogs for sure. They're definitely an amazing brand. So yeah, I would definitely say this is Cowboy Studio's competitor. These are great lights. Very bright, price affordable, and just decent. They're decent lights. So yeah, I would definitely highly recommend Mount Dogs for sure. I will have them below. Let me turn on both of these lights so I can finish this video. But I just wanted to show you guys the different light with just one of each, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and finish this video out. Alright guys, so what did you think of the lights? I was super impressed with Mount Dog. They shocked me by far. I didn't have much hope with it being so affordable on Amazon. I didn't think, you know, they were going to be super bright, but those lights, if I had two, oh my god, I'd be able to start a photography home and home photography thing. So those lights by far are amazing quality. They shocked me with the quality. It was easy to assemble, like I said. Amazing. I'm just blown away by how bright it was. I'm just like, I don't understand how it's so bright. That light, the corn light, I really like that lamp for that studio light. So very impressed. These are definitely Shalisha Marie approved. I would use these, and I wish I had another one to be able to film, you know what I'm saying? But you guys can tell the different temperature of the lights with Cowboy Studio. These are more warm and more like daytime lights, you know, like natural lighting, and then those ones are more like, you know, like studio, like filming pictures. So I would love to get another one of those so I can, you know, use them for filming and to change my quality of my lighting. But nonetheless, please check out Mount Dogs. They are amazing. I really enjoyed this video. It was something different. I will have their link below for their lights. You can grab two. They sell them singly. I believe it's just one, but they might have like a set of two. Buy these lights, get them in a set of two, not just one light. It's going to be awkward. You can't have unbalanced lighting. So Check them out. Really enjoy their lights. I think you're gonna really enjoy them. Very price affordable as well. So if you're new to YouTube, want to get some nice lighting for an affordable price, check out MOUNTDOGS. They are definitely Cowboy Studios competitor. These are amazing lights. So as always, please follow me on social media. My Instagram is IamShalishasMarie, Snapchat is PrincessGirl18, and Twitter is xspecialistxux. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here so you don't miss out on any more content I have uploading very soon. Make sure you guys check out MOUNTDOGS, get you guys some studio lights. Let me know what you guys thought. Who won, Cowboy Studio or MOUNTDOGS? And with all that being said, I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.